How Shopify POS can help your coffee shop thrive. If you own a coffee shop, you know that you need the right tools to run your business efficiently and effectively. Shopify POS is one such tool. In this video, we'll discuss how a Shopify Point of Sale system can help your coffee shop grow and succeed. Or you can click the link down below to speak with an expert on how it can make your coffee shop better than ever. What is Shopify POS? Shopify POS is a complete point of sale system designed to streamline the sales process for store owners. It integrates with your existing Shopify store, giving you the ability to track sales, manage inventory, accept payments, and more. With this system, you can take orders from customers in store as well as online. How can it benefit your coffee shop? Shopify POS can benefit your coffee shop in many ways. Here are just a few. Number 1, Streamlined Checkout Process. With Shopify POS, you can accept payments quickly and easily in store or online without having to manually enter data into separate systems. This saves time and ensures that your checkout process is fast and efficient for customers. Number 2, Automated Inventory Management. You won't have to worry about manually tracking inventory when using Shopify POS because it automates the process for you. This makes it easy to ensure that stock levels are accurate and up to date at all times. You'll also be able to easily see which products are selling well so that you can adjust inventory accordingly if needed. Number 3, Increased Visibility. With Shopify POS, customers will be able to view all of their favorite items on one platform, no matter if they're shopping in store or online. This means increased visibility for your products and better chances of making sales. Number 4, Easier Reporting. With detailed reporting features, it's easier than ever to keep tabs on sales performance so that you can make adjustments as needed for improved success down the road. Number 5, Reduced Costs. Because everything is automated with Shopify POS, there are fewer costs associated with manual labor or data entry errors, which could otherwise cost your business money over time. If you're looking for an efficient way to run your coffee shop business, then look no further than Shopify Point of Sale. With its streamlined checkout process, automated inventory management features, increased visibility benefits, easier reporting capabilities, and reduced costs associated with manual labor or data entry errors, it's no wonder why so many businesses trust this powerful platform. Click the link down below to give it a try today and see how much it could help your coffee shop thrive.